Well friends, here is the problem number 75 and here is the given question. So here the first figure shows you how the given paper is folded. So I will draw that here. So this is the given paper and it is folded at this point in this direction. So this is the given paper and this is folded at this point in this direction. That means it is folded like this. Okay, now in the second figure it is folded one more time. Before drawing that, I will draw how this will appear after folding in this direction. Okay, how this will appear? Yes, it will appear like this. After folding in this direction at this place, it will appear like this. Now here is next figure which shows how it is folded. It is folded at this point in this direction. Okay, if you fold this like this, then it will appear like this. Okay, this will be the appearance of paper after folding in this direction. In the last figure, they punched a hole here. They punched a hole here and here it is cut. The paper is cut and there is one more cut at the top like this. So this type of cut in the paper will give you edges. That is very important point. It is not circular, it is sharp line, a sharp line. In the shape of sharp line the paper is cut and this will give you edges at this point. Edges, okay, at this point. If it is round cut, then it will not give edges. Okay, in this case it is a sharp line type cut, so it will give you edges. So this is the very important point which can be used to eliminate some of the options. So if you see the options 3 and 4, if you see this option 3 and option 4, here you can see round cut which should not come, rather it should give you edges. So the option 3 and option 4 will be wrong option. So we eliminated two options. Now we left with first and second option. In the first option you can see 4 holes. As folded this paper, as the paper is folded in this direction first and then it is folded in this direction. As I said in the previous example, whenever you fold a paper, you should remember how many layers are becoming. Once you fold this paper, how many layers becoming here? How many layers will be present here? 2 layers. In the second fold, how many layers will come? In the second fold, here already I am having 2 layers and this paper is folded like this. So then I will get 4 layers here. 4 layers will appear here. That means if you give a hole or if you punch a hole in the paper, that will appear 4 times. That will appear 4 times. And in the first option, I am clearly seeing the 4 holes. Okay, 4 holes clearly seen in the first option. If you go to second option, there are only 2 holes. You can see only 2 holes which will be wrong. The second option is also a wrong option. We eliminated second, third, fourth options and we left with only first option, that will be the right option. Okay friends, now I will move to next problem.